It's normal to feel enthusiastic and excited when you first decide to start making juicing a part of your healthy lifestyle. You have a nice shiny juicer, a few recipe books, a powerful blender, and a ton of motivation to get going. However, after a week or so, you may notice your enthusiasm waning. There may be days where you forget to juice. The fridge may contain soda but no fruits or vegetables to juice because you forgot to go grocery shopping. Life has gotten in the way of your juicing, and now it has become one of those things that you used to do. The juicer starts collecting dust, and that's the end of your juicing journey. This scenario plays itself out over and over in thousands of households. The key to avoiding this problem is to stay organized and to make juicing a habit. In this video, we'll look at 4 tips to help you stay on your juicing journey. Tip number 1. Plan your juicing schedule on a weekly basis. Whip out the calendar and plan what juices you will drink daily. Aim for variety so that you get a wide range of nutrients. Choose the recipes from the recipe books and note down the page numbers on the calendar. This will make for easy reference on each day. Next, make a list of the ingredients you will need for the week or every 4 days. Depending on what is convenient to you, you may wish to do your grocery shopping twice a week if you want to have fresher groceries, or once a week if you're busy. Make a note on your calendar for days that you need to go grocery shopping. Make the note in red so that you do not forget. This juicing calendar is all you need to follow to stay on track. Once you take out the daily decisions from the equation, you'll reduce decision fatigue. It's easier to just follow a plan than to think about what you need to juice daily. Tip number 2. Set aside a daily consistent time for juicing. Depending on your schedule, you should fix a time daily to do your juicing. If you have a masticating juicer, you may even make juices for 2 days. Since the juice can last longer with a masticating juicer, you'll only need to juice on alternate days. Tip number 3. Grocery shop and prep ingredients for success. Some vegetables and fruit last longer than others, so it would be a good idea to write down what groceries you've bought and stick the note on the fridge. Ideally, if your juicing involves leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, parsley, etc., it'd be best to use these ingredients as soon as possible in your juices. After your grocery shopping, do not just dump all the veggies and fruit in the fridge and hope for the best. You'll need to lay them out on the countertop and organize them. Remember to wrap the leafy vegetables in a paper towel to dry them, and then store them in the fridge inside airtight containers. Fruits and root vegetables like beets should be washed and scrubbed. Then store them in airtight bags in the fridge or leave them on the countertop. If you like your juices cold, keep them in the refrigerator. By washing all your ingredients and storing them, when it's time for juicing, you just need to take them out and juice them. Very little time for preparation is needed, which gives you less excuses to not juice. Tip number 4. Wash your juicer as soon as you're done using it. Last but not least, always wash your juicer's parts and the blender, if you use one, after making your juices. Do not leave the equipment overnight and plan to wash them the next day. It'll be more difficult because the pulp would have dried out on the mesh surfaces and become crusty. Cleaning your juicer the next day will be a bigger chore, so get it all over and done with once you've consumed your juice. So remember, juicing can be a hassle and inconvenient at times. However, the extra bit of effort you expend will serve you well in the long run when you're healthy and feel great. Once it becomes a habit, you'll carry it with you well into your golden years. Drinking healthy juices is one of the best things you could do for your health and well-being. Good luck.